I got approved for $90,000 in 48 hours.
Wow, Marvin, that's absolutely amazing. But in this video, we're going to tell you about a bank where you can get approved for $100,000 with a soft inquiry.
I know you're probably thinking this is going to be time consuming. You know what? It really wasn't. It only took me about 5 to 10 minutes to do the application, and it was very minimal paperwork.
Okay, Marvin, let's get right to it.
Okay.
I know you're wondering, how can you get approved for this type of loan, a whole $100K with a soft inquiry? Well, guess what? You can go right to their site and you can get pre-qualified without it even affecting your credit score. So let's jump over to the computer and see how Marvin got approved for $90K.
All right, come on guys, let's do it. You can get from $5,000 all the way up to $100,000. Sometimes you can get the funds the same day. I did my application late in the evening, so it took a couple days to get it, but it was great. Also, this is something that most banks don't offer. It has unemployment protection. Can you guys see this? This is absolutely amazing. If you lose your job, they will temporarily help you modify your payments. So that's one thing I always say to people. Keep in touch with your banks or your lenders because you never know what they can do to help you out when you're going through a tough time. Now, when you go to put in your personal information, you can see your rates in 60 seconds. And the great part is no impact to your credit score and no commitment. Even if you see the amount and you're like, hey, I don't want to do it, it's no commitment, guys. So don't be afraid to do this. Check your rate. It won't affect your credit score. Now let's go into the reasons why you can use this personal loan. All right. For some people that have high credit cards, this is a great way to consolidate your credit card debt with lower interest and actually save. Like credit card debt is usually somewhere around double digits, 22% interest. We'll look at some rates later, but the rates depend on your credit. So no matter what I say, the rate is going to depend on your credit score. So credit card consolidation could be a great reason to use this. All right. For my weekend warriors, this may be great if you're doing a home improvement loan. If you want to add a patio or do some kind of improvement to your home, no fees required, same day funding, no collateral, which means they don't put a lien on your house. And always remember, unemployment protection. So home improvement could be a great reason to use this loan. All right, family planning loans. You know, this could be something personal. You guys are doing a family reunion, or you have some personal reasons. You may be helping out your child, your sister, your brother. Either way it goes, you may be wanting to have a baby. So you could grow your family and prepare for the new one. You can get anywhere from $5K to $100K personal loan, and you can save on monthly payments of high interest credit cards. So family planning could be a reason. It could be something personal to you. And guess what? SoFi actually understands and they offer a loan for that. Let's go to the next one. All right, vacations. Who's ready to go to Hawaii? So you can finance your dream vacation with the travel loan. So these are the reasons that you'll have to select when you're going in for the loan. Credit card consolidation, home improvement, family planning, and travel. So if you want a dream vacation, guess what? SoFi understands and they offer you that program. Now, lastly, let's get into the big one. All right, fellas, I'm sorry. You may want to do the dream wedding, or your wife may want the dream wedding. And guess what? The bling bling to go with it. So plan your dream wedding with a wedding loan. I mean, this is a great reason to use a loan like this because usually, you know, a wedding is once in a lifetime for most people. And this would be a great reason if I was going to go in debt to actually do it, to have that dream wedding that me and my wife would always remember. So look, guys, remember, it's only a soft pull and the link is in the description below. All right, guys, let's look at some of the people who have actually become members of SoFi. Over 6.9 million people. Let's look at a couple of these reviews. Kylie Brown says, SoFi is such a great company. This is the second time that they've helped me. I'm helping my son get his finances in order. I'll be dedicated to this company for life. And I really show them how much I love them when this loan is paid in full. This is awesome. Not only she was able to use it, but she helped her son. Michael says, SoFi is the real deal. The best experience with a financial institution I have ever had. The process of achieving this loan was easy and transparent. The terms were clear and simple. Options were presented and easy to understand. Funds were delivered well within the described deadlines. He says, if I could get over my fear of all digital banking, no brick and mortar, I would move all of my accounts. I'm not there yet, but this may help me get there. This is an awesome testimony, guys. Just happened February 20th. And look, this may be the same thing you're thinking about, the fear, but don't let that fear hold you back. You know, guys, I was nervous when I first applied as well. So don't think it was just Michael. It was me too. But I want to show you a comparison. All right, look at these high interest rate credit cards with a $40,000 balance. It's comparing it to a SoFi personal loan. The average interest rate is 23% on credit cards. Look, SoFi, you might be at 14%, but remember, you know, it depends on your credit score. Look at the monthly payment. $1,133 for high interest credit cards, but only $948 with a SoFi personal loan. And all of this is hypothetical. You know, I'm not giving you guys financial advice. I'm just showing you where maybe you could save some money. Look at this over a 5-year period. That's $27,988 interest paid. With a SoFi loan, that would only be $16,894 with a whopping savings of $11,094. And guys, I got approved. You know, it can happen for you and you can actually save money. So now it's only 3 steps left. All you got to do is pre-qualify. Find the rate and qualify within 60 seconds with no commitment. Choose your loan terms. That could be between 2 to 7-year terms once you finish your application online. Then the last step, the third step, is sign your documents and funds will be wired to your account as quickly as the same day. Guys, it happened for me in 48 hours. So it's not going to hurt your credit score. Check your rate and, you know, just try it out. All right, let's recap, guys. I just showed you various loans and what they have to offer, but I want to give you the data points as well. They pull Experian as far as a credit bureau. Also, you need to have a credit score of 680 and above from what we've seen. But if you guys have seen something different, please comment below.
And Marvin, let's not forget, they did ask you for a few documents in order to get approved for this loan.
Right.
So keep that in mind. Make sure that you have your tax returns or even your bank statements available.
And possibly your check stubs. I mean, it really just depends on your credit and your situation.
But listen, don't let this hold you back if your credit score is not quite where you need it to be. If you applied and you didn't get the approval, just know that it didn't impact your credit score. And also, if you need help fixing your credit, we have an AI tool that can help you repair your credit and get yourself in position so that you can get loans like this. Check out the link that we have listed below for our AI tool to help you empower your credit score.
And also, if you don't need this loan, share this video with somebody that might, because you never know, it can help somebody through a tough time.
Maybe I forgot to tell you, there's one more amazing thing about SoFi Bank. They give you a $300 referral fee if you refer a friend, and you don't even have to have a loan or a product with them to be able to refer a friend and get that $300.
Wow, Gloria, that's great.
Marvin, can I spend some of your money?
On what?
$90,000.
Hey, look, guys, look, do not let credit hold you back. Start working on it. And matter of fact, I want you to check out this next video about how AI can help you fix your credit. And remember, I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.